Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fall deep clean of my master bedroom and bathroom. I started off by washing the windows. They were really dirty and needed a good wash. Unfortunately, we took down the gutters on our house, so every time it rains, the windows get really dirty. So I just poured a bucket of some hot water. I added a little bit of lemon and orange essential oil in there and just used a rag and a toothbrush. I just went ahead and got the rag wet and wiped down the window, and then I had some dry paper towels and wiped it off after that. I continued to do that with all of the windows, and then I used a toothbrush on the bottom. As you'll see, there's little cracks in there that are hard to get with just a rag, so I like using the toothbrush to get into those little cracks and clean it really well. The toothbrush wasn't able to reach all the way inside the corners, so I just used a Q-tip and cleaned the rest of it out. Then I moved on to the window in the bathroom and did the same thing. Next I moved on and took off the shower curtains. So I have a fabric liner and this white curtain on the outside, and I just threw those in the washing machine. I then took everything out of the shower and sprayed down the walls and the floor. In this bottle, I just have a mixture of water and dish soap. Then I sprinkled some baking soda all over and let that sit. Next, I went ahead and sprayed down my toilet with this Honest bathroom cleaner, and as well I let that sit for a little bit while I moved on to cleaning the bathtub. I really love using the Clorox toilet wand. Really easy to use. You just click on the attachment, scrub down the toilet. There's a little button on the wand. When you're done, you click it and the attachment falls right into the garbage. Really clean and easy to use. I have a video where I go kind of more into depth how I scrub down my shower, so I'll be sure to link that down below. But I basically do the same thing every time. So I have these brushes that I get from the dollar store, and they're only $1, so you could use it a couple times, throw it away, not feel bad about it. And I also found that one with the blue handle laying there. It has like a triangle head, and it's really nice to use in the shower corners. As you can see, and I've mentioned plenty of times before, I really love using a magic eraser. I use it on my mirrors. It doesn't really leave any smudges, so I just wipe it down with a magic eraser and then wipe it off with a paper towel. I use it on my sinks, my bathtubs, on walls. It really is great. since I was doing more of a deep clean, I decided to get on my hands and knees and actually scrub the floors. So in this bucket, again, I just have some hot water. This time I added a little bit of dish soap and some essential oils. And I went through and wiped down the baseboards while I was washing the floors. And it was nice to be able to get behind the toilets and all of those small cracks that I usually don't get into with my steam mop or the Swiffer. I got a little brush and scrubbed in between the tiles just to really give it a good deep clean. By this time, the shower curtains had time to get washed and dried, so I hung that back up. It is a little bit wrinkled, but hopefully the humidity from my hot showers will straighten it out. And then I just put down the rug, and the bathroom was all nice and clean. Then I moved on to the bedroom and just wiped everything down. did end up using the Swiffer in the bedroom just because it is easier to get under the bed and under the furniture, so I was able to get most of the dust. I hope you all enjoyed watching this deep clean. Maybe it gave you some motivation. It is a little bit of a longer video. Let me know if you like these longer videos. I personally like watching them. They motivate me to clean, so I decided to keep this one a little bit longer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here, and I will see you all in my next video.